This is the truth. Wave hello to YouTube, everybody in chat. This is the truth about becoming a full-time gaming content creator. I've been doing this for the last 12 years, creating content on the internet as a gaming creator. I've made about 1,500 videos of my own between about 8 different channels. And I've worked as a gaming network executive to help creators make this thing happen for a living. I've helped tens of thousands of creators achieve billions of views per month. And I've seen all the successes and all of the failures possible, well, that I think are possible in this space. Whether you're trying to make it as a YouTuber, you're trying to make it as a Twitch streamer, you're trying to make it as a Facebook gaming creator, or you don't know which platform you should be on. What we're going to talk about today are all the realistic expectations that you should have as a content creator about how much time it's actually going to take, what the real odds and probability are for you to make this full time. And I'm going to be really hard on you guys, but you really need to make an assessment of whether you think you're cut out to make this happen. Because a lot of you guys out there that are creating gaming content on the internet, you're probably better suited to have gaming content creation be a hobby than to be your job. But a lot of you guys haven't realized that yet. And some of you guys out there that are watching the stream today and that are watching this replay later, which by the way, these are live on Twitch every single weekday, exclusively on Twitch. Link in the description below if you're not already following me on Twitch. But some of you out there today think that you want to be a gaming content creator, but actually you're best suited to make some other type of content. And that's going to be the thing that's actually your ticket to making the dream happen, but you haven't realized it today. You haven't realized it yet. And so I want to talk through all of that with you guys today. I want to talk through that process about how much work is required to make this happen, how long it's going to take to make this happen, what sort of personality attributes you need to actually push through and to make this thing work, and all of the pitfalls in between. I've helped everybody I've helped people that have been scammed out of $8,000 buying a channel. I've helped people that have gone from zero to making $50,000 per month in 6 months. I've helped people that have made 900 videos on YouTube and have never cracked a couple 100,000 views per month. I've helped people in every situation. So in live chat, I want you guys to tell me about what kind of sort of challenges you're running into, what you sort of think your future is in gaming content creation. And I'm going to help you understand what is realistic, what is not, and help you discover the fastest path for you to actually get what you want. Does that make sense? This is the truth about being a gaming content creator. I'm not going to sit here and feed you a bunch of crap about, hey, if you just do these things, you'll make it. I'm going to let you know what the real deal is. Because I think me, out of everyone on planet Earth, I actually think I have the most perspective on this of literally every person on Earth. Because I've literally been doing this for a living longer than everyone else. You ready? Let's go.